The other thing now that we've moved into was, okay, what are we going to do with COVID, a COVID heat inactivated virus into our system? And so as you can see here, this is using buffer, but using SARS-CoV-2 in a buffer that was heat inactivated, we still got the same result, that 0.1 level of detection. So that's a huge benefit and huge value, not only to the United States, but obviously the world in the situation we're at with now the Omicron variant really hitting the market. You know, this total concentration of infectious disease at 50 ml is of huge value. Most of your tests that are out there that you all are probably familiar with, the BD Veritor, the Becton-Dixon Veritor test, or even the Abbott Binax test, their TCID 50 ml levels are around 140. With our 0.1, we're looking at anywhere between 100 to probably closer to about 1,000 times more sensitive and specific in our platform as far as the actual results. So huge, huge benefit there. So then we said, okay, we've got obviously it working great in buffer. Let's move over to saliva. How does that look? So this is actually testing a basically negative and positive samples of saliva, heat inactivated COVID saliva samples into our system. And we found very easily that we are able to get the same type of components built into our system and our platform. You know, from a level of detection standpoint, same thing holds true. Anything between a 0.01 and 0.1 level of detection is kind of where we're looking at with our system. And as you can see there on the bottom right, you know, even compared to Sophia, from a PCR standpoint, we're getting not only the very, very low levels of detection, again, finding patients who are asymptomatic much, much, much earlier, but also giving the results in seconds. The less than 2 minutes is really truly the human factor that takes into account the saliva collection, placing it on the strip, putting in the device, and then pushing the button. But the actual system itself, once the saliva hits the gold surface on the strips, literally provides instantaneous results.